Rides Rideshare is a rideshare experience with a one-of-a-kind marketing-first approach, where I have the marketing and advertising on the front and backs of t-shirts of all the all-American marketing agents, and I hope to hire a web design, app development, marketing agents, sales agents all across America in order to establish rideshare dominance. Rideshare dominance. Rides Rideshare is will be having taxi compliance waivers, and that is the back logo, which is AI generated with cutting edge AI technology. Rides Rideshare is freeze.